Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today it's going to be another asset video review. So we're going to be looking at 3DFORGE products, and the product we're going to be looking at is a premium blueprint for Medieval Villages 1. So basically, in order to be able to use this, if you want to use it in making a game, you would need obviously the premium blueprint, which is the PB Medieval Villages 1 for $10 USD or $9.99 USD, and you also need, where is it written here, the Villages exterior kit. So if you don't have that, the premium blueprint is pretty much useless to you. So I'll just bring this up on the other side and drag it over. What do we want? Exteriors. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, you also need this kit to be able to use that blueprint. So yeah, that one's $659.99 USD. Might as well just say 60 USD. So yeah, we'll just close that one off. Okay, so basically in this blueprint you get blueprints for, well in this kit, 13 medieval villages, 12 village houses, 21 village blocks, 7 medieval shops, and 6 village markets. And there are actually some scenes included, but I haven't actually put Gaia or Gina into the project yet, so we won't be able to look at that yet. But I'll just close this off and we'll go check it out. Or we can actually have a quick browse here as well on the side. So this is what scenes could look like once you put all their pre-built blueprints into your scene, which are basically prefabs in the Unity game engine. So, and we will get to have a look at those in just a minute. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. I like all the 3DFORGE stuff as well, so okay, I'll just close that off. So we are in the project, in the Unity project, and at the moment we're on the medieval blocks. So basically just like a couple of houses put together or whatever. And these are all prefabs, so you could basically just drop it into a scene. And if we just change these sizes for a minute just to demonstrate, and yeah, then it's in the scene ready to go. You don't have to do anything more to it. It is what it is. Alright, so yeah, we can just delete that from the scene, bring all that back over. There we go. Alright, so we'll just keep scrolling through these. I won't go too fast so that people can have a good look. They do look quite nice. And the amount of time it can save, you know, obviously there's always going to be game developers that want to do everything like, you know, original. But not me. I like to take some shortcuts when I can to save me hundreds of hours of work. So, and if it comes at a very cheap price, I'm very happy with that. Yeah, some of these are looking really nice. I quite like them. So, you know, you could get your own couple of little medieval cities happening in your world. Alright, we'll move on over to the next tab, medieval houses. So now we're just looking at all the individual houses that he had basically in the medieval blocks, I would imagine. But I may be wrong, don't quote me on it. It does take quite some time to go through new packs when you get them and have a really good look at everything. Yeah, they look pretty good. Okay, the marketplaces. Cool. Very nice. Oh, we've got some shops over here. Okay. Yeah, I keep forgetting that I can turn them around with the mouse. Well, that one's nice. I like that one. Put a little shopkeeper in there and the marketplace on the side. Alright, villages. Let's have a look at the villages. Cool. So I hope everybody else has been having a wonderful day or night, whatever time of the day or night it is when you're watching this video in your country. Now they're nice. Oh, there you go. You got almost an entire city all made ready to drop in. How cool is that? Very nice. I was hoping to be doing a video this weekend on the MMORPG, but unfortunately I've got a bit of reading. A lot of changes have happened in the last few months, and I just gotta catch up with all the changes so I can get back into everything. The changes have been very exciting, but yeah, I've just got to catch up on everything and make sure I'm doing everything right. I don't want to go doing a video and not doing it right, if you know what I mean. So, alright, cool. And yeah, we can't do the demos thing because it's not going to work because I don't have Gaia in. And yeah, he's just got a little text document to give you information and stuff. So, cool. Alright. So, I suppose we could have a look at the outpost trade station while we're here as well, seeing as that's already in here. So I'll just drag that from the other screen over here. There we go. It's loading up. There we go. Alright, so he's got a few blueprints done already, and this is the second one that I bought, an outpost and trade stations. So we'll just have a quick look at this, seeing as how the video is not very long yet. It's only like 7 minutes in. More spam, good. Very nice. Yeah, cool. Alright. So, we'll close that one off and we'll get straight into it. So we've got some fences. More fences. Cool. What about the houses? Yeah, different. And once again, I'm guessing this requires the exteriors. I'll just bring that back over again. Yep, so it requires the village exterior kit as well. Which I've already imported. It's in here somewhere. There's a lot of stuff in this folder. Nope. Where is it hiding? Well, it is in here. Fantasy interiors, fantasy exteriors. No? Alright. I've got no idea. It's in there somewhere. So, oh yes, lots and lots of folders. Yep, that's the one I reckon. So it's been renamed Fantasy Exteriors. Okay. Must have been one of the changes he made. Too easy. Alright, back to it. Back over to those. Scroll through, have a little bit of a look. Oh, we've got some towers. Cool. Well, they'd probably come in pretty handy for an orc village or something, maybe. If you got orcs in your game. Or it could be a human settlement, I guess. Oh, nice. Some pre-made outposts. Awesome. Very nice. So yeah, you can pretty much see, you know, definitely value for money. There's no doubt about it. But if you don't really have a lot of time for game development and you just want to prototype something really fast, this comes in really handy, having all these assets. It can just give you like a fair idea of how things could look, and even then later on, if you wanted to, you could probably pull these prefabs out and make something unique yourself and put it in there. So. But you know, I probably wouldn't do that because I'm pretty happy with some of these. They're like really nice. That one, I'm definitely liking that one. Cool. Alright, well, that pretty much concludes this video. I hope everybody's enjoyed it. Oh, pardon me. And yep, I am really hoping to have some MMORPG videos coming soon. So yeah, it's just a matter of me getting my head around all the information that's changed in the last few months. So shouldn't be too much longer. So I hope you all have a lovely day, night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.